I'm playing with my sister Jess. She's in the game.
This is your fault.
And my cat and my cousin Kat's in the game. And my brother James is in the game, who's a YouTuber too now. And my sister.
I was like, oh my god, go, because a stupid person wouldn't even freaking go because
I hate this level. I can never.
I love this one. This is a new map.
God, I just fell. And there's nowhere to go.
I just fell.
This is a new map.
That's the level I hate because I can never do that
I
one.
hate this one too.
Huh, Cat already made it.
It's because she's a.
How did you make it?
Because this is my favorite one.
I believe in this game.
I can never pass that one.
Bro, cat.
I just died.
Oh my.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Did I tell you that? I didn't tell you what game I'm playing. I'm playing
No.
Flood Escape 2.
Oh, no. Oh my gosh.
Better not miss the game after I'm too late.
What? She made it.
Freaking kid, man. I'm trying to go in there.
How does it?
Wait. Let me go in. Let me get.
All the buttons. What?
What? It's because
Chicken house.
it's because she's an obby master.
Oh my god, I thought I was gonna die.
That's why Cat.
Do you know how much money Cat has? She has like a lot.
Oh yeah, Cat does have a lot of money. Cat has a lot of money than all of us. Yeah, she's the most richest player like in Flood
buying
Escape
something with
ever and ever. But you better not die. Oh, I love this map. I love it.
I can never get past this one.
Wait, what's wrong with your feet?
My feet?
Jesse's feet.
I don't know.
They're the same, dummy.
They
No,
look weird.
when she walks, they're like broken or something. Cat, touch your butt.
God, people.
Cat's the hero of the day. I think he doesn't know how to get anybody in this. Wow, this game is so easy.
Look at my emotions.
This game's so easy. Dumb people, I can get
This is so
in
you
your
can check
way.
them out. So you gotta go right here, and then when the
So easy.
You have Robux, Jason?
No, that's James. I don't have Robux on this account.
What do you mean that thing?
On my birthday, I'm getting Robux.
James gave you Robux?
no.
I don't have no Robux. I
How
have
are you?
zero.
How she what?
How do I walk like this? I'm not gonna die.
How's he what, Jesse?
James, you're not gonna die.
What? How did I die? What?
I think you didn't touch the wall.
You're
No.
supposed to touch the wall.
Yeah.
No, you're not dying.
I was dead in that game.
Well, you have to touch
Because
this
you went-
wall. You have to touch this wall.
You're not dead. We're all safe in here, dum dum.
I think James.
I'm dead.
I
No,
think.
you're not.
Have you looked at me? Alive?
I think James. I think James died before he came in. I think James died when he. I think his.
Why is it taking so
I
long?
don't know. I think it's glitched.
Yeah.
No, because you didn't come in here in time, James.
And you died when I saw you in here. Yeah, but you died when I saw you come in.
Okay, guys. Don't put
This better not be. Oh, this is kind of.
Go.
Get the button, James. Oh, James is the hero. Oh yeah, if you didn't know.
Where do we go?
You go there. Oh, it's just for a button. Never mind the ladder. The ladder is safe. I repeat, the ladder is safe.
Jessica, why are you just standing there?
Wow!
Because
Wow!
my
Wow!
jump button. Right, if I don't make things turn the ladder to disappear. Maybe didn't ladder can disappear.
And the bridge.
And even run before it disappears.
Ah! I fell.
Did it disappear?
Yes.
It did?
Yes.
Damn.
It's the bridge just broke into pieces and I fell in the acid.
God, did you die?
Yeah. Why am I mutated inside of a girl? Why am I inside of a girl? Is this how it should be inside of a girl? Oh, she's a pro. She's a pro. She's a pro. She has a lot of money for playing this game every day. Yeah, she has like 3,000 or something. And now she has like 73,000. Yeah, she's so rich. She's the richest player in this game. And nobody has died in the game except for me. Are you really kidding me? Wow, what a quick video.
What got next, Becky? What did I just say? Pretend like you never heard that and you heard something else.
Yes, I just say hello, Becky.
You heard, hello, my name is Meow.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.
You run for your life into the whatever.